Need a reliable cleaning system that will keep you out of trouble? The WipesPlus multitask closed bucket system was developed to replace the red bucket and towel system for one reason. That system was flawed. It was one of the top reasons for health code violations. The WipesPlus multitask wipes provide peace of mind because this system was proven to greatly reduce cross-contamination, is compliant with health code guidelines, and has caused 0 health code violations in over 4 years of use. The multitask wipes also allow you to use your current dilution system in the same chemicals used in the old red bucket system. This system can be used with any sanitizing chemical and can be used in the front of the house or in the back of the house. The WipesPlus multitask bucket sanitizer only needs to be changed about 4 times a month when the refill roll is empty, unlike the red bucket and towel system that needs to be changed every 3 hours. Testing has proven that this product is compliant with all health code guidelines for up to 3 months. The durable polyester wipes release the correct amount of chemical solution on the surface to ensure proper sanitization, while the enclosed lid system helps prevent cross-contamination. Since these wipes are disposable, dirty rags are not being placed back into the sanitizer, unlike that old red bucket system. While the WipesPlus closed bucket system was created with proper sanitization in mind, it turns out that this system also saves you money. The savings in chemicals, a 95% water reduction, and the cutting down of towel use far exceeds the cost of the disposable wipes. Adopt the innovative WipesPlus multitask closed bucket system. It's a proven winner in performance, price, and perception.